Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us. As you can see that the chart is not very convincing. Okay, the chart is not very convincing. We get to see a choppy market or a sideways kind of a market. Okay, and if I take you to the daily time frame, okay, then the daily time frame is also not giving us any clear sign. We simply get to see that after this big up move, market is going down. So no such thing from the daily time frame. And if you go to weekly time frame, then also we can see that nothing much is present. Simply we get to see that this was a previous kind of a support, so where market is struggling right now. So let's try to unfold the levels on the 1 hour time frame only, okay, because the higher time frames have betrayed us. Okay, now before I proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY because US dollar plays a big role in the forex market. So my dear friends, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you were ready for this correction on DXY because we have been talking about the importance of 108 level, and as per our expectation, market did reverse from 108 level. But the most important thing about DXY is that after this massive correction, on DXY, okay, we can see the buyers in the market have not surrendered yet. Okay, the buyers present on DXY are still trying their best to take the market up. How do we get such information? From the chart only, okay, because you can see that market is right now forming higher lows in the market on the chart, not market. Higher lows signify the presence of buyers, the entry of new buyers in the market, and most importantly, the willingness of the buyers to take the market up. So that's why we saw market breaking the temporary resistance of 107.20. Okay, and we were ready for it as well. Okay, and right now market is standing at 107.59. Okay, so my dear friends, this support, okay, the next support will be very important. The next support can be around 107.20 because previously it was the resistance and now it will act as support. 107.20 or the trend line, because you can see the trend line is still very much present on the chart and very much a valid support for the market, okay, or the 50 moving average. So we have got three supports on the chart of DXY. If DXY successfully takes support and bounces, okay, we will see DXY breaking 108 level this time, because after all the buyers in the market want to take the market up. So if market bounces, DXY bounces, then probably it will break 108 level, it will go higher, and we will see downside, we will see selling on GBP USD. That's why I have been talking about DXY so extensively. And if you look at the forexfactory.com, then we can see that on November 22 we do not have any big event or news that will bring some craziness or extreme volatility to the market. So it will just be technicals, I guess. So let's try to understand the chart of GBPUSD step by step. Okay, so if you're busy right now, my dear friend, if you're doing something, then please try to watch the video later, because the video may get a little bit complicated, so you may get confused. Okay, so when you're free with a free mind, okay, then only watch the video. So overall, we can see a sideways kind of a market, a choppy market. There is no proper direction. This market is not a trending market. Okay, the present trend of GBP USD is not trending. This is very much clear to us. Okay. Secondly, we can see that we have got a very strong resistance, okay, because of the extreme price rejection, which is around 1.2000. So this is a very strong resistance zone in the market, or in simple words, okay, this is a very strong sellers zone. Okay, strong sellers are present around this level here. Okay, and we have more or less a good support. I won't say that very good support like this one, okay, but yes, we have got some support around 1.1740, 1.1720. You must understand one thing very well, that not all levels are of the equal strength. Okay, in this chart, okay, the strongest level, okay, strongest level is the 1.2000, which is the level of sellers here right now. So this is a resistance, this is a support for us. This is a very strong, this is not that strong, but it will work. Okay, it will work. But apart from these two levels, the significant thing that we are seeing on the chart of GBPUSD is that whenever it is going up, okay, okay, it is not breaking the previous high, or in simple words, the market is forming lower highs. Okay, the market is forming lower highs. Similarly, whenever the market is coming down, we can see that market is forming higher lows. So market is forming higher lows and market is also forming lower highs. So it means that market is squeezing. You can see that I have drawn two trend lines, okay, one at the top and one at the bottom, and we can see the market is squeezing. Okay, and whenever we get to see a squeeze like this, or a in technical terms, whenever we get to see a symmetrical triangle pattern like this, we get to see a big breakout. So there may be a breakout coming soon, not today, okay, maybe by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, so yes, a big breakout may be coming very soon. So if market, okay, I'll request everyone to draw two lines like this, and in case we see a breakout kind of a scenario, okay, especially during Thursday or Friday, okay, you can go for a trade. Symmetrical triangle pattern is usually considered as a bilateral pattern, so you cannot be too sure in which direction the market will move. The market may go up as well as down. You need to wait for that right time, because it's a bilateral pattern. But before that, okay, so yes, the breakout may be coming after a few days, but what to do now? The question is what to do now. So right now, the trend line at the top is a valid resistance, and the trend line at the bottom is a valid support. So what you can do is, whenever the market will go up, okay, whenever the market will go up and it will hit the trend line here, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that, just like the previous times, okay, if you see market reversing from the trend line, you can go for a sell position. Okay, if you see market reversing from the trend line, you can go for a sell position. Okay, this also looks like a trend line only. Okay, but to be honest, I'll request everyone, okay, if I bring it here, it looks like the market has already hit the trend line. But see, the problem is that, okay, the highs are much far away here. So as a result, it's better if you can wait for some time. Okay, it's better if you can wait for some time. And if you're not in a position to take any risk right now, then you can avoid as well. Okay, so if market reverses from the trend line here, you can go for a sell position, or after a few hours, okay, if you see market reversing from here only, you can go for a sell position. Okay, and when it will come down to take support, at the trend line at the bottom, okay, it will be around 1.1800. if you see market taking support and bouncing, you can go for a buy position. If market bounces from the trend line at the bottom, the trend line at the bottom is safer in comparison to the trend line at the top. Let me explain. Okay, because see, first of all, the market overall, if you observe the trend, or if you know, then overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. So whenever we see a market in uptrend, okay, then whenever the market goes for consolidation, okay, taking a buy is always a safer option, because overall the market was being dominated by the buyers. So taking a buy at the trend line, taking a buy at the support is always a much safer option. And plus, in addition to that, we also have the 200 moving average. Okay, see, in addition to the trend line, okay, we also have the 200 moving average, which is also a very good dynamic support. So if you combine both the factors here, then yes, this looks like a very good support in comparison to this resistance. So if you're skeptical, to be honest, I am personally skeptical, okay, about the trend line at the top, that whether this is the right level or this is the right level. Okay, because see, getting confused is not a very big thing. Nobody is perfect in the market, and especially in a condition like this, when we are drawing a trend line and all. Okay, in case of static support resistance, or things are quite clear. For example, this resistance, support, clear cut. But this kind of charts can be a little bit tricky sometimes, so it may take your time. So if market comes down, takes support and bounces, you can definitely go for a buy position. And in case during the day, if you see market breaking the trend line and going up, listen to me carefully, if you see market going up, breaking the trend line, okay, do not take a buy position, try to avoid buy position. Then your duty will be to observe the market around 1.1950 to 1.1940. This can be a good selling opportunity for you if market breaks the trend line and starts going up, because right now, okay, I think the market is still, the right time has not come for a breakout, and to be honest, we don't have any fundamental reason also that will bring a breakout. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market reacts. But in case, okay, the market comes down and takes support, you can go for a buy position, because this is a much safer buy. Okay, and if you want to take a sell position right now, then I'll say that observe the market for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you see that really this is working as a resistance, then only go for a sell position. Otherwise, if it breaks it, then observe the market around 1.1940, 1.1950 level as well. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management. See, no trade is 100% accurate. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Try to protect your capital. And my dear friends, this is the Forex Hero Masterclass. Okay, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. So I have made some changes. Okay, I have previously I used to conduct for 2 days. So now, from now onwards, the workshop will be for 3 days. If you really like my work, if you really like my analysis, then you can consider joining the workshop. If you want to take up trading as a serious source of income. And for reference, I have also shared my story, okay, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. Because yes, trading is tough, trading is not easy, trading is tough, but yes, hard work can beat everything in this universe. Okay, and what are the benefits you will receive after the workshop? Okay, how the workshop will benefit you, you will find all the details on my website. The link is in the description. Bye bye, take care.